Hello my people, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, in this video we will learn how to set up on custom WordPress page or static page on your WordPress. This process is very simple guys. I will go through step by step. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. I really appreciate for that. So to set custom on design homepage in the WordPress, first you have to create your page. For that we will go to pages, click add new page. In add new page we can name it my home page. After my home page you can directly publish it. Now we have our new page, the name my home page. Now next step is definitely we want to customize it, we want to design it. For that, if you familiar with the Elementor and you want to design it with Elementor, you can directly click edit with Elementor. Because we already create page, now that's the time you can start customizing or you can start building your own layout. Here I want to give you one pro tip about people who want to use Elementor. You can download one of the plugin Elements Kit. It comes with a lot of pre-built templates for you. Even you're a business person or you want to start your own agency or restaurant, any blog, you will find every type of element kits in this. So let me click on edit with Elementor. If you not have edit with Elementor, you're not seeing this option. That's pretty simple. Go to Elementor, setting. Here you have to select landing pages or pages. Make sure it's enabled here. You can also enable elements kit. Okay, you can choose post type, but a post type you want to add it with Elementor, then you have to select, you have to provide the value here what type of post type you are going to build with Elementor. Now save changes. Now I will go back to the pages. I will find my home page we just created. Let me yeah, here it is, my home page. Now you will see option edit again. Click on edit again. Okay, now we have option edit with Elementor. Click on that. Okay, here because we already have elements kit, then you will see these icons. I also have this royal kit, elements kit, add element kit template. We have to just click on that. Now the next step is we have to find our template, which template we like, we want to display in the front page. Let's check out most of our free here templates. Most of them are complete home page. For example, here if I show you here events, for education you have a home page template, garden, software companies, or corporate. If you're a business person, you have a home page, this beautiful home page. Okay, you can also import this one if you are a lawyer or business person or service people. You have every option here: agency, lawyer, photography, agency services, and also we have beauty spa, blog, everything we have here. But if you want to build your home page with the sections, you can find section like a banner. First, only banner. You want to add only banner, you can choose for example, I want to add this call to action first. I will click insert. Now I'm start building my home page. How it will look like, you have to first drawing it somewhere, how you want, what type of home page you want to build, so you will able to easily build that particular page. As you can see, I have now call to action. I can simply change these titles, right click, edit heading and start typing edit. And you can change the button name to if you're a business person, contact us, get appointments. So this is actually first banner we just created. If you want to add downside some icons, you can directly click elements kit again, sections. In the section you can find icon box. A lot of icon boxes they have. Now I will show you our home page. Upper side we have a banner, downside we have a beautiful icons. Actually this video is purpose to show you how to set this custom page. We just after we create or design our this page, definitely we want to set in a home page. How we do it? Now I have only two sections and that's enough to explain you, but you can also create your home page with the Elementor templates here, Elementor elements. Okay, you can create it with it. Okay, now I will click update. Now our front page layout, we have a upper side banner, downside icons is ready. Now what I will do, how I set this custom homepage in the WordPress. That's very easy, guys. Let me first go to my front page. Okay, let me go back. Let me go to my WordPress homepage. Okay, now let me go to my front page homepage. Yeah, here. Okay, this is our WordPress dashboard now. Now I will click either view site or visit site. When you click on visit site, you can open your site into new tab here and you will see this customize option. If you not see this top bar, you can do one thing, go to appearance and customize. You will open same option. Okay, now you have to remember what is the name of your homepage. Is we set my homepage, right? Okay, now let's go to option homepage settings. Okay, click on that. Now you will see the option a static page. We are going to set this static page custom homepage. In the homepage section I will select my homepage. Okay, we can see here we have now my homepage as we design. This is our new front page. Now if I click publish, new homepage or custom page will be shown to the all viewers. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know in comments if you're facing any issue. I will definitely help you there. Also please share my videos with your friends. I will really appreciate that. If you want me to build a video on another topic, please let me know comments the topic name. Thank you so much.